We're here at West Shore Campground, Haystack Reservoir here in Central Oregon. Let's go check out the campsites. Here's a day use area with a picnic table. And let's walk over to our boat ramp launch. Pan over and show you this whole campground. Very well paved, great infrastructure. I love that dog's on leash. They don't want you parking and clogging up the boat ramp launch. This is very well paved, very smooth. One of the best boat ramps I've actually seen in a long time. It's like perfect, which I appreciate. See frozen Haystack Reservoir, again our boat ramp launch, and of course our dock. You can see it is just pre-sunrise. We're just starting to get that purple glow across the horizon. Let's walk to the edge of the dock. See, yeah, that is like a perfect boat ramp. I'm impressed. And we will walk to the very edge. Kind of fun to hear the cracking of the ice. A little unsettling, but I'm confident in the infrastructure. Hopefully well-placed confidence. And look at how beautiful this is. This is ridiculous. And there's our morning horizon, just a little bit of a pink glow starting to materialize. Do have our moon out. So our restroom, some overflow parking on the opposite side. Here's our fee station. It's our morning sunrise starting to materialize. So let's walk the campground. Be kind of nice with the morning sunrise in the background. That works out. Very well paved, very high quality infrastructure. Here's campsite 1. Now this is very much what I'll call row camping. So there's absolutely no privacy lines or spacing. Just each campsite is right directly next to each other, like stalls. So here's 2, here's 3. There's really not much individuality, and there's absolutely no attempt to do privacy lines. I'll just walk the whole thing. I think the most exciting thing going on right now is actually straight ahead. That morning sunrise, that pink glow is pretty spectacular. It's a nice backdrop for walking these campsites. Here's 6. Here is 7 and 8. I mean, as you can see, these are all right on top of each other. So to me, this is more of like a boater or RV destination, more of a base camp, not necessarily a private, secluded wilderness feel. If you're trying to bring like a family with kiddos and commune with nature, have a special experience of solitude, then this is not the campground for you. This is more of an RV boaters base camp situation. Different type of campgrounds for different type of situations and people. So if you're looking for a little bit more of an individualistic campsite experience, you want to go over to East Shore Campground. Definitely the main campground in this area. Here's 10. Here is 11. Starting to finally get a little bit more spacing, but still nothing that is going to compare to East Shore Campground. I do have a full review of East Shore Campground available on my channel, so highly recommend checking that out. Here's campsite 12. You can hear that you still do get a little bit of background noise from Highway 97, so just be aware of that. Not that big of a deal, but every once in a while you'll hear a loud vehicle. Here is 13 and 14 and 15 and 16 here on the end. Last but not least, so there's 16 sites in a row here at West Shore Campground Haystack Reservoir, and this is the end of the line right here. I'm here just at morning sunrise, walking the currently frozen boat ramp dock of West Shore Campground. And look at how absolutely beautiful this is. this is so beautiful. Can I interest you in an orange sherbet morning sunrise? I'm standing here on the dock at the boat ramp of West Shore Campground, Haystack Reservoir, and I happened to catch this right at the start of the morning sunrise. Today is January 24th, 2025, end of January, heart of winter. And you can see Haystack Reservoir is completely frozen. Got the glow of the morning sunrise beaming across our frozen reservoir. Technically it's called Haystack Reservoir, but it's really more like a lake. Just in the few minutes I've been here, it's gotten noticeably brighter. The morning sunrise. As the sun takes its prominent position in the sky for the day. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is crazy. That is world-class legend. Can I interest you in a wonderland zone, my friend? Look at this. This is crazy. This is the North Shore Fishing Pier, Haystack Reservoir, Ochiko National Forest, Crooked National Grassland. And look at how beautiful this is. Look at this, my friend. This is absolutely spectacular. You got the frozen Haystack Reservoir, and you've got the beautiful salmon sunrise, quintessential morning sunrise here in Central Oregon. Got the flow of part of the reservoir, and the rest is a frozen sheet of ice. I certainly wouldn't walk across that. I think you would break right through, my friend. Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. It's a pink salmon, orange marmalade. Absolutely beautiful. This is legend, my friend. I'm really glad I stopped to capture this. This is truly special.